Hello guys, welcome back to Automaz channel. The wait is over for adventure enthusiasts and dual sport riders. The new 2026 Yamaha XT250 has finally arrived, carrying forward its legacy as one of the most versatile, lightweight, and approachable motorcycles in the adventure segment. Known for its simplicity and reliability, the XT250 continues to be the go-to option for beginners, commuters, and riders who want a machine that can handle both city streets and rugged trails. Yamaha has refined its design for 2026, making it more modern while keeping the spirit of adventure alive. The 2026 Yamaha XT250 maintains its rugged dual-sport styling but comes with sharper bodywork and a fresh new paint scheme that highlights its adventurous DNA. Slim, compact, and practical, the XT250 features a high front fender, a durable steel frame, and a minimalist yet functional design. With its narrow seat and upright riding position, the bike is built for comfort on long rides while still being maneuverable enough to weave through city traffic. The overall look is clean, lightweight, and purpose-driven, giving the XT250 a timeless appeal. Under the frame, the 2026 Yamaha XT250 carries a 249 cubic centimeters air-cooled SOHC 4-stroke single-cylinder engine. It produces smooth and manageable power, making it ideal for new riders yet capable enough for seasoned adventurers who want a lightweight companion on trails. With fuel injection for efficient delivery, the XT250 is responsive and reliable in various conditions, from paved highways to rocky backroads. It's not about raw speed but about confidence and control. Two things the XT250 has always delivered. Handling is where the 2026 Yamaha XT250 truly shines. It comes with long travel suspension, featuring 8.9 inches of front travel and 7.1 inches at the rear, allowing the bike to soak up bumps and rough terrains with ease. Its 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel setup are perfect for off-road adventures, while the lightweight chassis makes maneuvering effortless. On the streets, the XT250 feels smooth and agile, making it just as fun for commuting as it is for weekend trail riding. Yamaha has also ensured that the XT250 remains practical for everyday use. The low seat height of 31.9 inches makes it accessible to a wide range of riders, while the slim body allows for easy mounting and dismounting. The 2026 model features a digital LCD instrument panel, showing vital information clearly, along with modern LED lighting for improved visibility. Despite being a lightweight dual sport, the XT250 offers comfort for long rides and confidence for beginners learning to master two wheels. Perhaps one of the most appealing aspects of the 2026 Yamaha XT250 is its affordability. Priced at around $5,699 in the United States, the XT250 offers incredible value for a motorcycle that can take on city commuting, countryside exploring, and light off-road adventures. It is fuel-efficient, low-maintenance, and built to last, making it one of the best budget-friendly dual-sport motorcycles available in today's market. In conclusion, the new 2026 Yamaha XT250 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a ticket to adventure without breaking the bank. With its reliable engine, lightweight handling, approachable seat height, and affordable price, it remains one of the most versatile and rider-friendly bikes in the Yamaha lineup. Whether you are new to motorcycling, a daily commuter, or someone who wants to explore dirt trails on weekends, the XT250 is a machine that adapts to your lifestyle. For 2026, Yamaha has proven once again that simplicity and capability are sometimes the ultimate formula for riding freedom.